Did you know that a lot of English speakers don't like going to French countries because they feel they can't speak French very well? Well, I'm here to announce to you that that's no more a problem because there are some essential French expressions you can use to express yourself easily and freely in a French speaking country. That's the whole idea of this video. So sit tight. I'm going to be teaching you these French expressions and their correct pronunciation. Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Merci. Merci. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Parlez-vous l'anglais? Parlez-vous l'anglais? Où se trouve la gare? Où se trouve la gare? Où sont les toilettes? Où sont les toilettes? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? Connaissez-vous un bon restaurant? Connaissez-vous un bon restaurant? So these French expressions are very important and can be very helpful for you to be able to communicate with a French-speaking person. So I'm going to give you an instance on how I can use these expressions to express myself in a French-speaking country. Bonjour. Parlez-vous l'anglais? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Où se trouvent les toilettes? So as you can see, I just use these expressions to ask someone where I can find the restroom. Well, that's all for now. Hope you love this video. If you love the video and you like the work I'm doing, please subscribe and click the notification button in order not to miss any of my videos. Bye for now.